YouTube, this is Andrea here, and we are off to a whole new jewelry unjarring. Mom is in the house. Ooh, ooh. It's early in the morning. We got our white paper down, and here is our jar. It was $9.99 from Savers. It's not the best jar I've seen on the planet, but this is why I got it. I want to see what this is. It's so pretty just looking inside. Plus there's a lot of watches at the bottom. So let's get this open. Try not to cut anything. Because there are a lot of beaded, it looks like a lot of beaded necklaces. We're getting there. Ooh. Let's go this way. Sometimes it's just easier to go one way rather than the other. There we go. Alright. There's our top. Yay. Ooh, we got some more pretties on here. Alright. Let's zoom you in. Oh, okay. We're going to let this all fall out a little bit. And zoom you in. Okay. This is our first pile. Oh, this is cute. It is a beaded flower necklace. And it has a little heart dangle here. That I believe that it means something. I just don't know what. I don't remember what. But that's pretty.
Pretty. But that came from Hawaii.
Well, it could have come from Hawaii, huh? Some stretchy bracelets. They are plastic beads. It's a real pretty ring. These are a pair of earrings. Pretty. They're very lightweight and plastic. These are really pretty. I have to say, they are like smoky topaz. They're not marked, but these are gorgeous. I might have to keep these. Beautiful studs.
Oh, nice. Love them.
Aren't those gorgeous?
Yeah.
Okay. We are a bit tangled. There we go. This is one of those wire necklaces.
You love?
I love these knots. Because they get tangled worse than anything. I really got this bracelet taped up good. This is a nice bracelet. It doesn't look like it's got any fading on. Well, no, there's. Oh no, that's a tag. It's pretty. It's a plasticky, but it's still pretty.
Yeah. Looks like bone with plastic.
Right, fake bone. A pearl necklace. This is really pretty. It looks handmade, but the beads are gorgeous. Let's see. This is one long necklace with this. It's a Hallmark. It's a Hallmark necklace.
Neat.
Yeah. Let's see if I can get it untangled. It's got this real crappy cord on it though. Like yeah, it's a cord. I don't know what to call it. It could have been repurposed onto this cord. I don't know. It's got a good little tangle going on here. There we go. Well, we will untangle that later. But I have to check into that hallmark. Take this ring off. Oh, look, we got ourselves another ring. Oh man, that's gorgeous. That's one humongo ring. Wow.
That's pretty.
It's gorgeous. I love it. It's adjustable. Here is a plastic bracelet. It's made to look like enamel and gold. Here's a bangle. Bangle hinge. Very pretty. Like a pinky. I'll show you that real quick. Those two. This is a wood beaded necklace. Made to look like there's ivory on there. A lot of plasticky jewelry. I was shocked.
They were hiding.
Yeah, they were hiding that it was all plastic. Like even these stretch, and these are real pretty. Stretch bracelets. I like those. They're pretty. Pretty, pretty. It's a black and clear. This one, mustache bracelet. These are glass beads. This necklace is gorgeous. It's got this pink. It just needs to be reattached. But all of these are pink plastic beads. Very pretty. And this bracelet here. It's a little stretched out, but it's pretty. What's this? This is a anklet, I believe, with three little hearts. This is cool. I kind of got one like this in orange in a jar from way, way back. It was for sale for $1. And it's a wood piece. This one's wood. That's pretty. It's got a long cord on it. Oh no, these look like little boobies. Don't they?
Green.
Green boobies. They're alien boobies.
It's the girl from Star Trek.
That's funny. That's a bracelet, stretchy. It's another one with a little cross on it. And a rhinestone one. Very pretty. Looks like all the stones are there. Really pretty. Good color. And this is a bracelet with a faux shark's tooth, I believe. Yeah. This is made to look like tortoise shell. It's pretty. Nice little cuff.
Oh yeah, I like that.
It's a pretty bracelet. It was brand new at one point. There's the, well, there's the tag on it.
I'm sure it was. Here's your sign.
It's very pretty. We got quite a few earring pairs, which is nice. Those. It's another bracelet. These are polymer clay beads. Some wood bead bracelets. This one is brand new. It's Kohl's. and it was going for $20.
Nice.
And it's my favorite color.
Oh, we gotta keep that one.
It's another bracelet. Some more earrings. These are like the gold ones that we just got. This is a clip-on. These are cute. Those are clip-ons. So cute. Little zebra.
Oh, nice.
What we got here? Oh, little Santa Clauses. So cute. And we got this stretchy bracelet. This one I saw over here. There's another pair. This pair. This pair. It is nice to get pairs instead of a bunch of single ones. This pair. Oh, this is a pair, and they're also clip-ons. Different. And then these are pairs. Oh, I can see these right now are going to Mom. They're rose gold.
Ooh, yay! Oh,
Yay! They are pretty, huh? So these are single. Well, no, here's a pair. And then these don't have a pair yet. This is pretty. Like a coral. Coral! For those who like Walking Dead. That's the end of our jar. I have to say, I think I've gotten more in a jar before.
Yep.
Alright, let's check out these watches. And this is the piece I was after. And you know what? Something told me it was going to be beautiful. But there's a stone missing.
Oh.
Look how gorgeous that. Man. Man.
Take some green fingernail polish. Fill it in.
Yeah. Oh, wow. That's going to have to go in the bead box. Someone can use it. This is a Timex. I don't know if it's a wind-up. Yeah, it's a wind-up. Ooh, and it is ticking.
Takes a licking.
Takes a licking and keeps on ticking. Yay.
Wow.
Wow, it's, yeah. It just says water resistant. That's it. Nice watch. Here's another Timex. Let's see. No, it don't wind up, but that's pretty. And here is a watch band. Got good stretch on it.
Yeah. Cute.
Here is another Timex. This is really pretty. No, it's not a wind up either. Boo. So. And then here's another one. What is this one? This is not a Timex. Yeah. I don't know what this one is. I need my handy dandy glass to see. Advance. It's called Advance. Very pretty. I like the gold tone. Okay, and then here's our last watch, which is a Timex. And man, this leather band is old. Old. Let's see. It's a wind up. Let's hear. Oh, it's dead. It's not ticking at all. Darn it. That one's really cute too.
That'd be worth getting fixed.
Yeah. How do you gotta have a watchmaker, huh?
Yeah.
These are pretty earrings. These are pretty. I might go ahead and keep these because they're orange and pretty. I think I might have a necklace to go with those. What is this, a green shark? Let me look. It's some sort of green fish. It's different. It's not a frog. It's got a fin and everything. They're playing tennis.
Oh, cute.
That's a weird pair of earrings.
Oh, that's cute.
This looks like a Daffy Duck playing tennis, but it doesn't say anything on the back. That looks like an old pin.
Where's Timmy when you need him?
I know. There we go. That looks like an old pin. Hang on to that and check it out. This is pretty. There's an initial on here. It's a J. What? Excuse me, guys. And it's got a pretty chain on here. And it's marked, which I'm shocked. It could be something like made in Taiwan. Oh goodness. The glare is really keeping me. Oh, there we go. I can't read it. The glare is just too much. That says J on it. I don't see any marking on the back of this charm. So I'm not going to say it's silver. I'll try to read that marking on the clasp again, maybe in darker light. But the J kind of goes with my last name, so that's pretty. And then there's this gold tone necklace, which has nothing on it. But it makes a good necklace for a charm. And then these are little pairs of earrings. Okay. There's these. And what is this? This is a ice cream bar or ice cream. It's ice cream. And then the rest have no pair. That's it. But not a lot of junk at the bottom, so I like that.
Yeah, it wasn't bad.
This was not a, a total bust jar. We got a few nice pieces. And the piece that I bought it for, I'm so sad for this. But man, that was gorgeous.
Yeah.
That's okay. Next trip. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.